Welcome to One Shot.
Soft-serve machines are inherently expensive because they are in fact mini ice cream factories that incorporate refrigeration compressors, condensers, evaporators, mixing motors, pumps, and a vast array of other components needed to produce the soft-serve product. One Shot product is delivered to you in a single portion smart container already packed with product by a licensed One Shot dairy packer under the strictest hygiene conditions. The One Shot Smart Container does all the hard work for One Shot, allowing the dispenser to be very simple and inexpensive. Combining inexpensive equipment and low running costs, dispensing more flavors and more product choice, our system has a low break-even point that creates a fast payback, making every penny count.